In this video, I will show and explain you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So the first step is to log into your PayPal account, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on Finances at the bottom, and after you tap on Finances, what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on Crypto. As you can see here, you're gonna have your PayPal balance, your savings, and then you have the Crypto tab. So simply tap on this, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on Buy. Now here you're gonna see your available balance. So if you have any crypto here, you're gonna see it. But if you have zero here, don't worry, simply tap on Buy. And then here you're gonna have to simply tap on Bitcoin. Then after that, you're gonna have to simply enter how much you want to buy worth of Bitcoin in dollars, and then simply tap on Next. Now here you're gonna have to simply choose a payment method. Now as you can see, you can add your debit card, or you can simply use your PayPal balance. So you're gonna have to simply select it at the bottom, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.